Is it possible to install Chrome on Roku?
Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss a question that many of you have been asking. Can we install Google Chrome on Roku? Roku is a fantastic streaming device, but can we expand its capabilities by adding Google Chrome to it? Let's find out.
What is Roku?
Before we delve into the details, let's first understand what Roku is. Roku is a brand of digital media players that can stream a near-endless amount of TV and movies. These devices connect to your television via an HDMI cable and then connect to your home wireless network, allowing you to stream video content from the internet through various content providers.
Can you install Chrome on Roku?
Here's the important part. As of now, you cannot directly install Google Chrome on Roku. This is because Roku does not support the installation of third-party apps that are not available in its official channel store. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, Google Chrome is not available in the Roku channel store.
What are the alternatives?
Just because you can't directly install Chrome on Roku, that doesn't mean there aren't workarounds. You can cast or mirror your Chrome browser from another device to your Roku. Here are the steps to do this from a Windows PC. 1. Open the Action Center by clicking on the icon in the lower right corner of the screen. 2. Click on the Project button. 3. Select Connect to a wireless display. 4. Choose your Roku device from the list that appears. 5. Now, anything you open in Chrome on your computer will appear on your TV. In conclusion, while you can't directly install Chrome on your Roku device, there are workarounds available. By using screencasting or mirroring, you can enjoy the benefits of Chrome on your TV screen. Remember, these steps can vary slightly depending on your specific device and its operating system, so make sure you refer to your device's specific instructions. We hope this video was informative and helped you understand more about Roku's capabilities. Thanks for watching.